Working with UK Construction Marketing has been an eye-opener for me. I've been working with them for the past 7 years. I am not a marketer. I find anything like that extremely difficult. So working with Kate and the team has made it a lot easier. They guide you through step by step, and I feel the results that the business is benefiting from is fantastic. Since working with UK Construction Marketing, they've helped us with redoing our website. They've helped us with a load of marketing materials, helped us assist us at CPD days that we've put on. Without that assistance, I don't think we would have received the inquiries that we have, and some of those inquiries have resulted in awards being placed with us, so we are very pleased with their service. There have been unexpected benefits of working with UK Construction Marketing. They almost feel like part of the Meister family. They are based in London, we are based in Gloucester, but it never feels like that. They're on the phone, they're on email, they're on Teams, we can meet with them whenever we feel like it. So it's like having our own marketing team in our own business. I always advocate and recommend Kate and the team to other companies within the industry and outside the industry, and I think it comes down to just being easy to work with. Everybody in the team is pleasant, polite, easy, and always really happy to help with whatever it is that we may throw at them at last minute.